Okay, so Veer, what happened just now? You were having hiccups.
Yes, I was having hiccups, and then
And then, in our culture, we say that if you have hiccups, that means someone is missing you. And if you say I've tried this for myself, and if you say the name of the person who is missing you, and you can try different names, and then when you say the right name,
your hiccups will actually stop. It's
and
true. So I was having hiccups.
just a few minutes ago,
Yeah, and it was my little brother called Macy. He's my little cousin. Sorry, I said brother, but he's my little cousin, and I'm going to his home today.
and he's
So
probably missing you.
yeah, he was missing me. So what I did was, so what my mom told me was, Veer, say his name and see what happens. I was like, okay, Macy.
And then your hiccups stop.
2 seconds ago, my hiccup stopped. I'm not. This is not. This is. This
You
is.
don't know how that happened, right?
I don't know.
It's like magic.
It was. I thought that magic was not there, but as soon as I just. So yeah, when you have hiccups, think of all the people you know and say one of the people's names.
Try different names, and then
Yeah.
the one that is right is gonna work.
Oh, and you can also make people have hiccups too. Yeah, that's what I'm trying right now.
Because you miss them, and then they will have hiccups.
Yeah.
And then you can tell them what to do to say your name, and then the hiccups will stop. Bye for
Magic
now.
is real, everyone.
Yay, it
Bye
is.
bye.